Welcome! In this video, you will learn how to link your CSS style sheets to your HTML file. In this case, you can see a plain website with Hello World. These are the two files that make the website, index.html and style.css, both in the same folder. Here you can see their content. We have the HTML doc type, the HTML tag, head tags and body tags, a title, and a heading, a main heading. The style sheet has attributes for the HTML on the body and for the heading tag. But there's something missing. Here you can see that we only have the HTML, because we have not linked the style sheet to the index.html. Let's do this. Within the head tag, you need to add a link tag. In Sublime Text, you will have the option to autocomplete the tag. In this case, you need to add the link tag and a rel attribute that indicates the type of content that will be linked to. In this case, this is a style sheet. You also need the type attribute to indicate that this is a CSS style sheet. And finally, you need to complete the reference. You complete it by writing the name of the file with the corresponding CSS extension. You save the file, and now if you refresh your browser, you will see the HTML formatted with the appropriate CSS. This worked by using the name directly because the style sheet is in the same folder as the HTML file. If you need to have your style sheet in a separate folder to structure your project differently, you may choose to add a styles folder. If we take the CSS file to the styles folder, it is now in the styles folder. Let's refresh the browser to see what happens. The HTML doesn't recognize the CSS now. Let's make a small modification in the HTML. Since now the style sheet is not directly in the same folder as the HTML file, we need to indicate that we need to access another folder before reaching the style sheet. We add the name of the folder, styles / the name of the file. So this way we indicate that from the folder where the HTML document is, we need to go to the styles folder and finally to the style sheet, style.css. If we save the file and refresh the browser, now you can see that the style is correctly applied. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel to find more videos on programming and software development.